Registration test, so make sure to pick that up.
Hey guys, stripping gears here. It's Saturday morning. I'm at a Vassar car show, RIVERFEST they call that. Looks like a pretty decent show. I know last week was a washout in Port Huron, but let's see what we got, guys. Hope you enjoy the show and like, subscribe, comment, good or bad. It always helps my algorithm. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, just giving you a heads up. Probably gonna run into copyright, as I always say. I'm not sure. YouTube hasn't banned it so far. I don't get anything against me so far, but let's see what we got. I'm sure that they could knock me out of the park someday on that algorithm, but we'll see what we got. I'm just giving you a heads up. I'm going to pan a little bit downtown Vassar and see what you think. Here's that little deuce that you saw behind me coming in. There's a stage in it, you know, getting it all. What a beautiful little car, that's for sure. But yeah, let's see what we got. Like I said, you got that Chevelle. That's a 502 block on it, so it's bored and stroke, probably 454. Nasty. You got this. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna pan a little bit out and in. Just giving you a heads up. Like I said, I am running into some good music, but it's not mine, and YouTube knows it. How about that, guys? I'm gonna give you some interior looks. A beautiful interior. Nicely upholstered. Yeah, either of these are original or they're nicely redone. There's a pretty Cutlass blue. Yeah, hopefully that little guy. There's a nice Cutlass. See that? Yeah. Let's keep going, I guess. Yeah, cars are still coming in, guys. Just giving you a heads up. I kind of was a little bit worried when I pulled up, but no, it doesn't look bad. Beautiful day. 70. It's only 70 degrees right now. I was gonna bring my Mustang up, but I don't know if I'm going to another car show after here, and I don't want to be locked down, stuck in one spot. How about that, guys? These have some nice rides. Vassar usually has a good show. This is a nothing sandwich, but it's the fact that he kept it. It looks good. I actually liked these back in the day, back when you could only get front drivers. Yeah, these guys enjoying their time here. Yeah, check this out. I'm not up on these cars. This is a nice looking car. It's inline 6, but I'm not sure what it is. It's a Ford, obviously. They're probably looking at the hubcaps. No, that's the only way I know, guys. Just giving you a heads up. Of course, here's a Impala or a Caprice or something. No, an Impala. I'll show you this old guy's car here. Is that pretty slick? Yeah, real nice. I'm gonna try to keep it on the up and up, guys. Today I don't want anybody thinking I don't like their cars. I don't appreciate them participating. I'm just going to my audience and letting them know, what they're seeing is what I'm seeing. I don't sugarcoat it. If I had my car here, I'd be more than happy somebody pick it apart. That ain't no big deal. I'm a big boy. I give them credit for bringing them out. How about this, guys? That's not my favorite yellow. I think that's a factory yellow, though. XR7. I've seen these at a couple of good guy shows, just on YouTube. They are slicker than snot. I mean, they have them tricked out. Yeah, we'll see this. And this Thunderbird. They call this. This wasn't their high point of the Thunderbird. Let's put it that way. But it's all original. Since seat's been redone, but it's all original looking. Wheels and motors not original, but let's see what we got here. How about this? This is for my buddy Richie Ridge. He has that Monty. That's a real nice one. See what you got, guys. I'll pan it over here a little bit. And this is the bomb. 8-off engine bay, RS 69. About one of the nicest ones locally you're gonna see. Check the interior out. Oh yeah, select shift automatic, as they say. But yeah, here comes a rumbly tumbly truck. This one, the aftermarket exhaust on it, sounds like. Maybe some Flowmasters or something. Bowl is usually on Mustangs, but they're real nice guys. Take a look. Yeah, yeah. And you got the C10, a long box. No, C20. I take that back. It's 3/4 ton. Let's see what we got here. But I just want to. I'll pan that Stang again. My Z. Here's you got this truck coming in. We'll get it in. Square body. Yeah, as they say. How about this Grand Prix? You're not going to get a better one than this. My brother-in-law is big into the big Pontiacs. This one's a real nice one. Oh yeah, I might have filmed this a couple years ago, but I'm not sure. Mr. Thompson, it says. Yeah, I like the fact that young fellas into it. I'm down with that anytime young people get into stuff. And here's the Shelby. This is the 350. They always have that. I talk to these guys all the time. No, that's a 5.0. That's 5.0 dressed out to look like a 350 with a stripe pack. Oh boy, rumbly tumbly. Yeah, and here's a Gen 3. Like I said, I used to not be big into the Gen 3s. But I'd take one of these over 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, even the 8. I'm not big into that front, that rear engine. This one's clean. It has a nice repaint on it. Beautiful car. Of course, this is that big block. No, this says 456. Let me see what we got, guys. Like I said, I talk a little bit too much. I get it, but the thing is, sometimes I can cheat that algorithm that YouTube uses to block music. Nice little show. Beautiful weather today. I mean, you know, it is what it is. I'm not big into black rims. That's the only thing that, to me, it doesn't do anything for me on that car. You know, but it has its fans. Black rim guys, they call them. And this is more of a work in progress. The side running light, side marker lights are on it. But he's getting it done. And then this, I'm not sure what this is. This era of cars, I'm just not into. That used to be the original street rods right there, guys. See that? There's that cutlass from the front. And this actually was pretty popular. Ford sold a ton of these because at that time nobody wanted two-door muscle cars. They wanted this big luxury boat. And this beautiful paint. See that? Let me see what we got. Yeah, it's real nice, nicely redone. And of course, this is a work in progress, or patinaed, as they say. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the patinaed ones. I'll give them their due. I mean, they got it here. It's a Survivor. This almost looks like it was pulled from a junkyard and got retitled, maybe. Smashed a little bit. In the grill, at least. But yeah, nothing special. Guess you put those Indian blankets in, that makes them better. No, I'm just kidding. No, I like the fact that they got it in here. And then, of course, those little Bronco 2s, never liked them. Yeah, they have their fans, though. These bugaroos, we used to get them for nothing. I could have got one of these for $600 back when it was only like 6 years old. Back in the day, my old boss's wife's girlfriend owned it, traded it in. And thing is I went with that 350 Camaro, that 72, which a little more rust on it, but let me see that. That's for sale, boys. It's a big Dodge. You see a lot of these, but not as a Dodge. Terry Tacey. Here's the number if you're interested in it. Yeah, real nice wood box. Hey, how's it going this morning? I'm going to try to help sell your truck. And then you got this. And then you got this four-door. This Galaxy is nice, but it is four-door with skirts. But what's nice is it's non-postcard. That's what's kind of slick about it. Take a look at the interior, guys. I like that center, why that XL, that's the speaker. Hey, how's it going, man?
Camaro's down there.
Is it? I'm going to be filming. You know what? I didn't think this was looking too big because there ain't that many cars going on that side street and not up the hill yet, but it's early. Yeah, did you make Audrey last week? I didn't do it either. You know that I just I went to Port Huron and it was a washout. There was 1,300 cars last year and there was like 200 like this year. Yeah, but people were great. You know, the car people are always great. You know how that goes. Oh yeah. Check this out, guys. Here's this almost looks like it was at one time a cop car, maybe. Check it out. And here's that Charger. Like I said, I'm not big on that roof line. And I'm running into Buzzsaw at the city again with that music. Yeah, how about that? That's a nice Firebird. Now that's that Corvette yellow, and it looks good on this thing. Yeah, Jerry, real nice. Let me see if I can pan this around, guys, because it's just a Firebird, but it has the right color. And he has his stuffies in there, as you see. Just gonna pan a little bit so you see what's going on here, guys. Look at that. That's a nice Firebird. It's a 400, it says. Yeah, and this color is loud. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I'll pan that again. I'll take a look at that, guys. And then of course this bell. Now this is a sweet ride. I've filmed this before. This is here almost every year at this spot. Check it out. This is, oh wow, it's for sale too. I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you are interested in a Vert, it was at 55, yeah, beautiful car. Sure he wants a shiny penny for that. See that, guys? That's for sale. How about that, guys? Like I said, that's not my cup of tea. Those used to be big time big. Let me see what you got here. You got that. See how that looks? And here's another car that it has its fans. It's just not my cup of tea. I'm in the 70s muscle. Noisier, loud, obnoxious. Approach Street if I can see them. But yeah, check that out. That's a Plymouth of some sort. Let's go down here. Here's another Vert, right color. And then check that out, guys. There's that coppery one here a year ago. We did take a look. I'm probably going to get bombed out from YouTube, but let's see what we got. Take a look at her. I'm gonna go on that side next, but I'm just gonna pan it a little bit so you see what that's gonna be like on that. So I'll spend a little more time on that. Just want to give some people some privacy. And here's a bird. As you know, like I said, Terry Brimmer's car. Take a look at that, guys. And here's Mountain Girl, it says. No, Montana Girl, I apologize. Let's see what we got. What do you think, guys? Here's another truck. It's pretty sweet. 35. I like this. I get in trucks. In Brent's. And there's Brent's. This is a Reese bunch. They haven't been going to any shows, so I was kind of surprised. This thing's a monster. 502 big block. You ought to hear that thing. Check it out, guys. It's not too busy right now because I'm really early, but that car's the bomb. Wellwood brakes, weld wheels, great motor, fantastic interior, and this is his son's. This is his son's truck they redid. You might have seen this before at Frankenmuth. It's a square body, but it is built for spec. Let me do this, guys. That's all right. And then this, not sure whose this is, because this is a Reese bunch, beautifully redone. Probably another Reese guy. Oh, Bob DeLong's. I'm pretty sure that's a Reese bunch guy too. That's a factory color there, guys. Yeah. See that, guys? It's just a Malibu, but it's really, really nicely redone. I wouldn't be ashamed to be driving that around, that's for sure. Then you got this. I'm going to pan that way a little bit so you kind of see what's going down. And there's another. It's 73 Nova. Let me see what do you think, guys? Take a look at that, guys.
Okay, well, Main Street and you're on it at 20, but you're probably
there. Yeah, take a look. Yeah. You got this. You do this, guys. D and Mike. Yeah, I had that. I had one of those in 76. Yeah. Yeah. How about that? I had a 76, not a Trans Am, but the biggest thing on those cars, the damn doors, the pins and bushings would rot out, and it just sagged down. It was a nightmare. Yeah, real nice. Real nicely redone. And then this. How about that, guys? There's that nice Ford. Yeah, square body Ford. My brother just told me, I talked to him, I was in Tennessee, does the car show bit down there, but he sits at them. He just got like an early 70s Ford short box, which those are hard to find. Most of those Fords are long boxes, just like the Dodges. Yeah, how about that, guys? It's gonna get a little bit busier. This is square body. That's a long box, 3/4 ton. No, it says, yeah, no, it's 1,500. I guess it's a short or a half ton. Yeah, then you got this. There's that Avanti, I call it, a 64 Studi. If Dennis Gage was here, he'd be going off on it. It's a Studi. No, I'm just kidding. I'm a big name dropper. It's real nice. Nicely redone. It's not my cup of tea. I've seen one of these tricked out. I think I just saw it on Minnesota's Street Machine Nationals. They had one on that. There was like, any car, if you put enough money into it, can make it look good. The hell is that? No, there's some plane or something. Yeah, a small crop duster went by. Kind of blowing up my video a little bit. How about that, guys? Needs some work in progress. They drove it here. You can tell that is all bugged up and stuff. Corridor. Here's another one. Excuse me, guys. Monty's went my cup of tea. This one's nicely redone. The only thing that they did different on this is it's not vinyl top. They painted it black. Maybe they couldn't find some guy that did a good job on it, or just they're tricky. How about this, guys? How about that? Yeah. That is not my favorite. Gen 3, give me 68 to 72 with the chrome bumpers. But actually, the newer ones like that were more popular even before. Let's see. Oh, that's all right. Then you got this vert. Rally Sport vert. I'm not a big vert guy, as I told you that, but it looks like they got it from a piece of junk and redid it. They did a nice job on it. Yeah, look at all that stuff, guys. Pieces, bits, and pieces. Yeah, let's see what we got here. How about that, guys? No. My dad had one of those. He sold it for like a couple $100 to his nephew. I guess he fixed it up. I never saw it, but I guess it's slick. And these, I'm not into this gen. If I'm gonna have a Jeep body, I wanted a Malibu. That Malibu or nothing. Because maybe Pontiac Le Mans. And then you got this. This is factory color, because God knows you wouldn't pick this color if you were gonna just, you know, if you're gonna do that. Let me take a look at it. I'm gonna pan this. I'm gonna pan a little bit that side, because sometimes I miss stuff. But we'll see. This car's still coming in. Here's a nice Cougar. How about that, guys? My wife when she was married, she used to have a van, I think, like that. Me and my Chevy van, as they say. Yeah, these guys came in. You heard these when they were coming in. They got a nice exhaust on, probably some Flowmasters or. And this Merc's pretty sweet. It's early yet. They're all getting into their staging, as they say. That's a nice little rumbly on that bad boy. Little 305 block, probably just stroked a little bit. We'll let you hear a little bit of rumbly. Morning. Oh, that's all right. Oh, wow. Yeah, here they're coming in, guys. We'll stick around. Maybe we'll get some noise. How about this, guys? You're getting to see what I get to see. How about this? This is like a trifecta of Chevelles. You got that one. Look at that exhaust on that. tell you something. You know that I'm not big into the coops, but if you're gonna have a coop, that's about as nice as you're gonna get. That's about as nice as you're gonna get, guys. We'll head her down this way. How about this? Let me do this, guys. This thing needs some major surgery on that vinyl, but hey, he's in it. He's in it to win it, as they say. Yeah. Let me see what we got. Got this. Was it Gen 5, 6 bed? I'm not sure. Oh, it's 3 in it, so it's a newer one. Let me see what we got. How about this? Mr. Nasty. Absolutely. Hey, guys. Yeah, I got the shirt in the wash right now. Sorry, Abe. Yeah. No. Did Chris tell you that I was coming down here? Yes. Oh, okay. She said she might. Yeah. I'm actually almost done with it, guys. I'll hook up with you in a little bit. Yeah. I'm going to go this way a little bit, guys. I'm running a family, which is nice. And all that. Yeah. Let me get it in. Let me get it in, guys. We're going to slide this around a little bit. I'm going to do this quick. Yeah, how about that? Yeah. And we saw these guys there. Yeah. How about that?
Classic king right here segment.
Yeah.
Next number here, little Lottie, Miss Lottie.
How about that, guys? Like I said, I'm kind of going to go fast. I'll refilm this if I have to, and that's because I'm going to be walking with family in a minute. Some people might say that's a good thing. Yeah. Yeah, I can walk.
Okay. Yeah, it was probably in one of the boxes. Yep.
Yeah. That's my buddy's car. I was thinking about getting rid of it, which he has that factory 5. I'd rather see him get rid of that than this. This thing's nice.
I've never spent $1,000 on this stuff.
Hey, how's it going, man? Good. I'm going to film it twice. I'll get a little more of your car in a little bit. I've got some of my buddies here, car buddies. They know I do this. Like I said, I'm not a big vert guy anymore. You can get rid of a beautiful roof line the way I look at it when you do a vert. Now take a look at this Roadrunner, guys. It's kind of a different paint scheme, I guess you'd say. This is actually a nice show, guys. I was surprised. Well, one thing, perfect weather. It's so comfortable right now. I don't know if it'll be like that in this afternoon. It's slightly overcast, but it's I think it's like about 73, 74 degrees. You can't get that better for a car show. Not at all. How about this? That's Pink Lady, no, Little Darling, I guess. It was for sale, I think. And there's that factory color blue, because you would never pick that on a modern ride. That's all right, though. How about that? My buddy would just about blow a gasket seeing one of these. He loves them. As good as you get on a G-body. Like I said, I'm big time Malibu. Stuff like that. How about this little truck? Real nice. We'll go back this way now. 64 Polaro. Yeah, how about that? And you got that. 69. Beautiful car. That's the factory orange too, I'm telling you guys. You don't want the really bright one. The only thing I think he might have changed on it, I'm not 100% sure, is that front bumper was chrome, possibly. Let's see what we got. Got this. Just gonna pan these other cars, just seeing what I'm seeing, if I went a little too fast on anything. Yeah, let's try this. How about that for a 69? That's the bomb. A real nice rust out. I like that Z28 with that V kind of a V look to it. And it's chrome bumper. That one's like a rotisserie done. I'll probably be in Frankenmuth. Look at that, guys. Yeah. There might be still some cars coming in. I'm going to film some more stuff here. You got this little pickup. There's that Charger. Raleigh, I guess you'd call that. that. GTO, that's tri-power eat-off material stuff, guys. That'll probably be in Frankenmuth. Usually the rotisserie ones are there. Give me a heads up for any newbies to my channel. You basically want to catch it all my... You want to catch all the Frankenmuth stuff. And there's the thing, I guess they call that. Yeah. How about this? Studi. Dennis Gage from my classic car would go bonkers. And here's, like I said, a bunch of guys around my hometown area had these. And I was driving a piece of junk stuff. This one's nicely redone. Here's that Gran Torino Sport. How about that? I'll pan back there a little bit, guys. There's a square body, classic. That's a classic color there. I mean, you wouldn't pick that nowadays, but they did then. How about this? This is nice. That's that Z06, I think. That's really nice. That's an LS7 in it. 427, small block though. Yeah, I hate kind of this might be my buddy's Chris. Yeah, Chris Coleman, Freeland. He's a friend of my buddy's. This is actually a Hemi car, Max. I don't know if it's a Max Wayage or not. And of course, this is Bruce's. I'll do this, guys. See that? And this is nice. I'm going to bust through here a little bit like crazy, guys. And this is like the bomb. Yeah, that was there last year, I think. It's insane. The guy has tons of money. Oh, yeah. 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 Let me do this, guys. Oh, wow, look at that. That guy got parked right in the spot he did. Yeah. I gotta do those. I can't edit it. Although these sort of have ramping contests right here, guys. Yes. I'm gonna do this too, just so you guys see it. It's a nice Chevelle. We'll do this, guys. We'll go this way. That's Chevy. I remember last year he was in the same spot, and it was unbelievably hot sun that day. Yeah, how about this? That's chromed out. Like I said, that's a real nice one. Like I said, I like 68 to 72 better, but it is what it is. And this guy's everywhere. He's an all guy. Let's see what we got, guys. I'm panning the downtown area so you can see it. And these Z cars have a following. What's funny is that car can actually be faster than 90% of these cars here. And this has been slammed, as they say. 392. Wow, that's an 11. Let's see, that's a nice one. Some guy had this Camaro like this. This might even be the one. They had it for sale. The guy in Bay City had this. Had like only like 12,000 miles on it. Wanted 21 for it for a couple years ago, just before COVID. You can imagine that's going for a lot more than that now. Nichols, lawn care. How about that, guys? You got this all tricked out. That's kind of the bomb city. It's not my cup of tea, but I respect him for doing what he did to it. Yeah. There you go. And this is a nice one. It has monster, like 20-inch rims in the back. I don't like the tire tread on it. It almost looks like a truck tread, but it's pretty cool. And And this guy's been around a while. Let me do this. I don't know if you guys saw this, but how about that? Oh, that needs a little work on it, but it's got the bones. If you saw my Mopars at the Red Barns, you'd see the killer one. This one my brother had, except he had brown. I think it's just a rally, 340 rally. These, I think, were in the same spot last year. 440. And this guy had this. Like I said, I got a 01 Vert, but I wish I would have waited and tried to find one of these. He has a supercharged, by the way, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, he has a blower on it. Real nice car. Yeah, let me do this, guys. And this is, I think this is my buddy's car. Yeah, how about this? How about this, guys? This, I've talked to this customer. This is the owner of this. This is just Le Mans Sport. They were kind of going away from the GTO stuff. Let's do this. And this, I talked to this Vert guy before. I'm just pinging what you're seeing and I'm seeing. There's some down there, but I'm going to stop it right here, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.